Okay, so 10th standard students, a very good morning and warm welcome to all of you for the online sessions of JC English High School. See, as of now, in the last video, we have already completed the rural development of economics, and with that we have completed the first part of social study. Now, from today onwards, we will be moving towards the second part of the book. You are having part 1, part 2. So, part 2 we will start, and in part 2, the first chapter we will start with the geography only, and that is your chapter 8. Okay, because 7 chapters we already have learned in the first part. So, second part we will be studying with the chapter 8. And what is this chapter 8? Mineral and power resources. Okay, two things are there, mineral is there and power resources. First we will go with the mineral resources. First we will go with the meaning and importance of minerals. Mineral is a natural resource. It is a natural inorganic substance. Okay, it is not an organic substance, it is an inorganic substance. Minerals are the gift of nature. They are natural resources. Obviously, they are the gift of nature. This water, this air, they are the gift of nature. The process of extracting minerals from the earth is called mining. The process or the actions by which we are extracting, means we are taking out the minerals from the earth, that is known as mining. Mining is a word which is used for all the minerals. We have to extract the minerals. It's not that minerals is on the surface of the earth, it is below to the earth. We have to extract it from the earth, and then only we can use it for industrialization. Minerals contribute prominently in the development of a country. Always minerals contribute so much that a country can be developed, because we can sell the mineral products to other countries also. Even they are used in the industries. Without minerals, there are many things in our day-to-day life which we can't produce or we can't manufacture. They are useful for industrial development, construction purposes. Construction purposes, iron is required. And iron, from where we are getting iron? Iron is, we are getting from iron ore, that is a mineral. Progress of transport and communication, trade and commerce. India have a very variety of minerals. India is having almost all types of, even gold is also present in India. Okay. Or India is very rich in mineral. India is very rich in mineral. There are several types of minerals, and they are also found in India, and they are also in a varied quantity also. It's not that this much, this was very small amount is there, large amount is there in India. So that's the meaning and importance. Now, important minerals. There are several minerals in India, but there are some minerals which are very much important when we go, or we regarding to the industry purposes, or from which we are getting the most of the benefited in our life. So first one is the iron ore. From the name only you can understand that what is iron ore. Okay. Ore. Okay, one thing I will tell you. What is this ore? Why we are using this ore? The deposit from which the minerals are obtained is called ore. The deposit, suppose inside the ground or inside the earth, we will get this type of ball type. Okay, from that is the ore. From there only we will get the raw iron ore. Okay, or raw iron. Okay, that is known as ore. And what is mineralogy? The scientific study of minerals is called mineralogy. Okay, the scientific study of minerals. The department is there who do the study of minerals. Okay, that for which purpose we can use it, that is known as mineralogy. Okay, now we will go with the iron ore. Iron ore is a ferrous metallic mineral. Okay, iron ore is a ferrous metallic mineral It is an important raw material for the iron and steel industry. Of course, iron, it is used in the iron and steel industry. India is having a plenty of iron ore reserve. India is having a plenty of iron ore reserve. States which are rich in iron ore are states in our country. There are 29 states, but there are some states which are having plenty of iron ore. Which are there? Odisha, Karnataka, this state, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. These are the leading producer of iron ore in our country. Odisha is the largest producer. Odisha is having the largest quantity of iron ore in that state. So Odisha is the largest producer of iron ore in India. It is mainly found in Odisha also. Where it is found? It is found in the district of Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, okay, Sundargarh, Cuttack and Koraput. These are the districts in Odisha where we get plenty of iron ore. Okay, Karnataka stands second in the production of iron ore. Okay, so first is Odisha, second is Karnataka. So Karnataka stands second in the production of iron ore. Sandur, Kemanugundi and Kudremukh areas. Okay, these are the places where plenty of iron ores are found in Karnataka. Iron ore is also found in, okay, these are the leading producer, means they are having abundant or very high quantity of iron ore. But there are some other states where we can found iron ore. Iron ore is also found in Jharkhand, Goa, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Uttar Pradesh. These are the states where iron ore is present, but not as much as of Odisha and Karnataka. India is the fourth largest producer. Okay, this one is the main important. India is the fourth largest producer of iron ore in the world. Okay, in the world, India is the fourth largest producer of iron ore. Now, nearly 35% of its production is consumed by our iron and steel industry. India is having several iron and steel industry. They use the iron ore as the core or base mineral for their industry. Okay, and 35% of the total iron ore what it is produced in India is being consumed by our iron and steel industries of India. Okay, the rest of it is exported. So the rest of the thing we are exporting, means 35 is enough for us for our iron and steel industry, and the rest of 65% we are exporting to other different countries to earn foreign exchange, which helps us for the development of the economic structure of our country. Okay, so now one more thing I will tell you that in today's video you are already in the part 2. So, and we are almost in December. Okay, so this month also I don't think that the school will start. So please follow the videos, and it's not that you will take the notes and all. You must go through the notes with the exercises. Whatever the exercises are pending, I will be writing it and send you very soon. Almost last some videos you have got all the exercises, but before 2 exercises you are going, you should go through the notes. Then only, because in the exercises all these things are not there. Okay, so you should always go through the notes first, so that you should know, because questions can come from any place of the textbook. Okay, and all the questions they are not mentioning in the exercises. So if you go through it, you will get it known. So in the next video we will go with the next mineral, that is manganese ore. Okay, thank you.